The central element of the city manager's preliminary fiscal plan is what we are calling the Transformation Investment Plan. This plan has a foundation in our sustainability plan, our master plan in Green Grand Rapids. It's community-driven. It was envisioned by the transformation advisors and includes all their recommendations. And it incorporates the work of the City Commission design teams and department transformation memos. Most of all, it's an outcome-focused plan. It's backed by the Transformation Fund, an investment fund of venture capital for transforming city operations. It will produce critical savings through innovation and transformation. Most significant are operational savings of 10% in the police and fire department, operational savings in other general fund departments of 10%, and a 10% reduction in total employee compensation. The plan is flexible. We expect it to be altered through learning and discovery of new opportunities. It's measurable, and if we commit to the Transformation Investment Plan and implement it with skill, we will achieve a general fund operating statement where ongoing expenditures are matched to ongoing revenues by the time the temporary income tax expires. So let's take a look at the full plan. The first thing to note is the plan begins in fiscal year 2011, and then it streams out to fiscal year 2016. The next thing to note is that the Transformation Investment Plan is divided into 6 themes, and here they are: public safety, streets and infrastructure, quality of life, transparency, accountability and communications, transforming city operations, and citizen engagement and customer service. Each theme area includes a series of outcomes that are designed to produce savings, improve productivity, enhance customer service, or improve quality of life. Achieving plan results will deliver the quality of life community that we aspire to create. Each outcome will be assigned to a project manager. Each project manager will be assigned resources in terms of staff and money. And each staff member who is part of that team will be responsible for achieving results and will wake up every day with that in mind. So let's look at some key examples. We'll move over to the board and look at public safety first. In public safety, some key outcomes that are police department transformation savings of more than $5 million by the year 2015. We'll also work to achieve fire transformation savings of more than $3 million by year 2015. We'll be working on consolidation of services, whether they be police special teams or other police services, or fire consolidation with our urban metro partners, particularly with Wyoming and Kentwood. And we'll be working on court transformational savings of almost $900,000 by fiscal 2015. Next, let's talk about streets and infrastructure. We'll be implementing a complete streets plan that will guide how we invest in streets on an ongoing basis, the type of streets we invest in will be a complete transportation system. We'll develop a new street source for street investments by the time the general fund can no longer make those investments, which will be about mid-plan. And we'll work on a cemetery transformation plan that will save the general fund up to $100,000 per year when fully implemented. Next is quality of life. We'll implement an economic gardening approach to neighborhood business redevelopment. We'll continue to work on a stormwater investment model with WEMIAC, and we'll work to unify codes and ordinances with our urban metro partners. And we'll create a new service model for certification of 2-family dwellings and for single-family rentals. Next is transparency and accountability. The first major thing we'll be doing there is the investment of money in putting in time and putting our new fiscal plan, our new fiscal system into place. And that enterprise system will allow us to do dashboarding and metrics in a very, very important way. The largest section that we'll be working on is called Transforming City Operations. There are over 33 outcomes in this area. The first and one of the most important ones is to achieve a reduction in total employee compensation of 10% to help with making room in our general fund. We will work on general fund operational savings as well of 10%. Those savings will total $3 million by 2015. We're going to provide for managed competition among those services that can be provided by the private sector. We're going to study the conversion of new hires to a defined contribution plan, and we will implement the new refuse program, which will allow us to reduce the refuse millage. The final area is citizen engagement and customer service. In here, what we'll be doing is implementing a new 311, a single number to call for service, along with a customer relation management system, and will increase customer self-service by 25%. So committing to investing in the Transformation Investment Plan and implementing it with skill will achieve general operating fund statement where ongoing expenditures are matched to ongoing revenues by the time of the expiration of the temporary income tax. In short, transformation equals sustainability for us all. The City Commission will be reviewing the Transformation Investment Plan in May and June as they prepare to adopt the fiscal year 2012 budget by June 21st. You can find the Transformation Investment Plan on our website at www.grcity.us.